It is a very difficult time to speak. But the truth of the matter is, this journey is for all of us. No one will escape this journey. And therefore, we should get prepared for this journey, because it's going to be for all of us. It is a hard fact people don't want to accept, but that is the truth of the matter. The journey is for all of us. Your Excellency, a lot has been spoken. I want to impress yourself, especially from the message that came from Mzee Okori Nathan. Your Excellency, this is not the first time we have heard about this. I very much remember, and I very well remember, I raised that this information is coming, and I raised this to the President of the Republic of Uganda. I would like to request you to invest yourself into this and inform His Excellency to make sure investigation is done. Your Excellency, when I was in the State House, and also when we were in Kampala, the President talked about arresting people who have mentioned issue about these people, the Right Honorable Jacob has been killed. I want to interest yourself, don't arrest the people, but investigate. Otherwise, we will miss the point. People have been talking about Jacob from the morning up to now, and even in Kampala, even in Parliament, we spend the whole day until midnight. That shows to you that Jacob had only two riches. I kept repeating it, and I want to repeat it here. Number one, he valued community wealth. He did not concentrate on accumulating wealth for himself. That is why even in the school where we are, there are two churches that he built for the community. And this is a lesson to all of us, that as we live in this world, what kind of relationship are we living with others? What kind of contribution are we giving to others? What will people talk about you when you are going away from this world? Are they going to talk about the amount of money you left in the bank? Are they going to talk about your big building that you left in Kampala or any other place in the world? Or they will talk about your community wealth? Your Excellency, when we are mourning Jacob on the floor of Parliament, I want to thank the administration of Parliament and the leadership of the Right Honorable Speaker. They printed a book full of quotations from Jacob Olani. I think people who have not read this book, you have to interest yourself about it. Because the book talks a lot about how you can build your spiritual wealth. It talks about how you can fight corruption in this country. Jacob was somebody who will talk the truth. Of all people in this country, I have never had anyone who can stand and talk straight to the president of this world. But Jacob stood and said, Your Excellency, we are all corrupt in the country. What kind of leadership can we pick from that? That we should talk the truth, and that is the way we can make our country better. Your Excellency, when Jacob was elected to be the vice chairman in charge of Acholi, Lango, and the West Nile, when he was going around to campaign for His Excellency the President, and for your party, the NRM, people did not vote NRM, but they voted Jacob. He was speaking to the heart of the people. Speaking to the heart of the people of Northern Uganda. And he left a will. The will is that this time round government will improve and fight poverty in Northern Uganda. You have a duty to carry it back, that there is a will that Jacob left behind for Northern Uganda, that people should get out of poverty. You have that will, you have to carry it. I know Jacob is laughing. But in our culture of the Acholis, a person dies when he is not given birth. You have seen the children of Jacob. We believe Jacob is alive, and with those children, his legacy will remain in this world for God and my country.